Okay everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing great. In the previous section we create this main title too, and now we are going to create AI in healthcare. As always, we go to my channel or any other channel that created presentations and search in the templates. I tell you the difference about my channel is that there are just one slide and you can choose to use one of them if you like. You see there are many things, most of them are useless, but you can find some useful things in that too. It's important to search until you find the useful thing that you want and need. Let's go down. Until now we don't find anything, but it's not important. Whenever you search for something, I tell always, then whenever there is a will, there is a way. And now we have the will and we can find the way easily. Let's go a little downer. These things are look great, but we don't have the picture for that. Let's go. We can use something like this also, but not this time. Maybe another time we use them and they absolutely look great. Or we can use something like this. Not for now. Not for now. Let's go a little downer. Oh, we can use something like this, but it's have a little problem. Because of that, we are going to do something really easy this time. We just copy the text, not for now. We just go here in this slide. We create a tree rectangle 1. We send it in the middle. At first, just make it a little less round. From the align it center and middle. Press Ctrl and Shift to create another shape of it. And another one here. Okay. Now the shapes has been created. Let's look at them. Okay, they look good. Then we are not going to do anything with background. We are just going to make it to be a solid fill and make it white. But we select all of this thing. We are going to make them outline gone. And we are going to color them each by each. The first is blue and the second is yellow. And here is yellow. Okay, it's good. Now we are going to make them in the shape. I like this shape. I think you enjoy it too. And this is for the outer parts. Now we just need to write the text. We go to ChatGPT and ask him for the text, him or her or it. I don't know what should we call the AIs. They are so overpowered today. Can you create a three paragraph about this title and give each paragraph a title, please? The ChatGPT is free, but also you can pay to have more advanced tools. I use the free type because the advanced tools are a little pricey for me. It done the work. Okay, you see it create the text. At first we just need to copy the text and paste the text here in the background of our shape. Now we paste the text, just save it. Then we copy the topics, 1 topics, 2 topics, 3 topics, select them all, center the text, reduce the size, go to shape format, and choose something that you like. I think you must not use a lot of light for the text to be unreadable. Because of that, I'm just going to do with this black and then make it white. But for that, we need to make our shape a little darker. It's really easy. We go here and we go use something like this. And for the blue, we use something like this. Okay. We created our shape, but in the next lesson, we are going to create the transition. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe.